Hey up lads, Kosh here from Kosh Bushcraft. Bit of a hole to explore here. Looks like it could be a bit of a bomb shelter or some kind of structure. If any camera can pick this up, like, got my little torch. Got my dog with me as well, if you can hear all munching around. Bit of a scary painting on the wall there. No idea what this place used to be. There you go. Stop, come on a minute. It is as well. Shotgun barrel. Only in Meanwood you'd find a shotgun barrel. So look. Somebody's sawn this barrel off. That's not a full shotgun barrel. Somebody's sawn it off to make a sawn off that. Just the end of the barrel. Very rusted. Because it's got no chamber on the end, nobody can reuse this or anything, so I don't think I need to take it to the police or anything, but well, there's his first find. Shotgun barrel. I'm going to put that back where it was. And we'll go on. Bit of a yawn really, oh look. Just look up here, it looks like it's had light fittings. Anybody that thinks this is a water tunnel or anything, definitely not. There's light fittings on the roof all the way down. And then it goes this way. More graffiti. You can actually see that it's wood braced in here. See bits of wood coming out of the concrete slabs that it seems to be pieced up by. There you go, another friendly face down there. And let's move on. More light fittings. Seems a stable structure, I don't think we've really got any worries about it falling in on us. Got my daughter with me here today, Maya. Are you scared, Maya?
No.
The devil. That's all that. So look. Seems something maybe filled in there. Maybe it goes down again. Oh, there's a trapdoor there. I never saw that when I came in. Fruit woods. Oh, bloody hell, it's cracked to death. You wouldn't want to put your leg through that from above, would you? Is it the camera picking it up?
Yeah.
Oh, trapdoor. This looks like something's been filled in or something's been put over it. Makes you wonder. Finding a shotgun barrel on the way in makes you wonder what else is in here, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks like some old chairs and stuff. The new glove there, some old oven. Right, let's head back on then. Bit of an old shoe. The tagging from kids. Looks like there might have been a few fires in here occasionally as well. That looks succeeding. It went down quite a way as well. Come on, Luz. There we are, back to the way out.
And lads, just a quick word on finding a gun. You should notify the police if you find a gun. This wasn't a gun, it was the end of a gun which didn't have the chamber which fires the round, so it wasn't really dangerous in any way. That's why I didn't bother. It was just the end of a gun. But obviously if you picked that up and took it home, you could get 5 years just for having that. Do you know what I mean? And it don't fire. It's a waste of time. Never pick it up and take it home. There's people that have got 5 year for rusty old revolvers out of streams and stuff like that. Just don't do it. But until then, Camper Kosh signing out.